Hey, so in the previous videos we've been working with Excel data, okay, or CSV data. They are basically the same style, okay. And now I want to show you how to manipulate NaN values, okay. So they are not numbers, they are actually missing values, okay. So if you have your data and then you import it and there are certain missing values, instead of ignoring that space, they want to tell you that there's actually space there, but we don't know what to put there, right? So I'm going to show you how you can manipulate NaN values on your Python, okay. And to do that, you need another library called NumPy, okay. So I'm just going to import NumPy. Oh, NumPy, not NumPy as NP, okay. I like to shorten them so I don't struggle. Alright, so now import NumPy as NP. Now what we're going to do is, this is actually the column we just extracted. We extracted let me print the whole data frame. This is the whole data frame, but we've extracted the ages column, okay. So that's what we have here. I'm going to clear my console again. So that's what we have here. I'm going to, in order to get my ages or my age with my NaN removed, I'm going to use the NumPy library here, okay. So I'm going to start by saying np dot, there's a function called NaN to num, okay. And what it does is it converts your NaN to 0, okay. It converts your NaN value to a certain number, okay. So let's see, I'm going to say NaN to num, and I'm going to feed it with the data frame I wanted to work on and the value I wanted to give it. Alright, so let's see what it gives us, and then after that we print age. Why is it printing everything? Oh, okay, it's printing everything because I want to specify the age column, okay. Sorry, ages. All right, like this. So then go ahead and cancel this. All right, so this is the age column, and as you can see, it has removed the ones that are NaN, I think another NaN here, and has replaced them with zeros, okay. Alright, so that's how you can manipulate NaN values, okay. I'll see you in the next video.